It's an absolutely beautiful 2-transistor amp here that Mr. Early Adams, Mr. over at 3 Made Amps, built for me. Gotten quite backed up here, so he's helping lighten up my load, and I mean, he did an absolute superb job on this 2-pill. Such a tiny amp, but so beautiful. Believe it or not, some people have issues getting the input reflect on the straight 2-pill like this down super low. Believe it or not, but take a look at this. 5-watt slug. Oh, a tiny hair of a movement. Very nice. 250-watt slug. It's just hitting it with a small radio. Oh, over 250 watts. Oh, almost 100 bird. If I pumped up the voltage, it would be doing it. From there, I can hook up a little stronger radio and probably get about 350, 400 out of her. And I would do it, but I'm pressed on time. I got to hurry up, put this top on here and throw some labels on it, and drive uptown and drop it off to its new owner, Mr. Jeffro Bodeen. Out there cruising them old box pick-em-up trucks with 18 wheels on it. Nice job, Early. Kind of looking foggy in here. I got something on my lens again. Here, I'll wipe that cap picker off. Yeah, there. I had something on that lens. It's so cold out here. Probably some moisture. Beautiful job, man. Look at the craftsmanship of this. Let me get my hands on a couple of those caps. I think I know where you got them from. Those are perfect to use for little 2-pills. $100 puff on the input, $390 on the top right there. That's called custom tuning, y'all. You gotta do that with the HGs these days. And I hadn't really looked at that cap on the bottom. I'm gonna guess it's a 150. Beautiful. I like those relays too. I think they're 7-amp relays. And I really like those electrolytics right there, man. That, you know, my favorite color is blue. And that's got kind of a sparkle to it. I like it. You can direct me where to buy some. I'll start using them just because of the color. Alright, man, we gone. I just want to show this thing work before I run out. I wasn't going to do a big strong stress test on it or nothing. I ain't got the time. We gone. Bye-bye.